So now moving to SA 580, which is written representation. This is a very small standard. First of all, what is meant by a written representation? As the name suggests, it is a written statement given by whom? By management. Provided to whom? Provided to auditor regarding to confirm certain matters or support other audit evidence. Okay, this is known as a written representation, and written representation in this context do not include financial statements or other assertions that the management will provide in this context. Next, as per SA 580, written representation with respect to which aspect has to be provided. First of all, written representation by the management stating that it is the responsibility of the management for the preparation of financial statements as per the applicable financial reporting framework. Okay, with respect to that, written representation has to be given. Next, the auditor shall request management to provide written representation that it has provided the auditor with all the relevant information and access as agreed in the terms of audit engagement, and all transactions have been recorded and reflected in the financial statements. Okay, management has provided the auditor all the access to the information that has been agreed as per the terms of engagement. With respect to this, a written representation has to be given. And as per other standards on auditing, if any other written representation is necessary, even those written representations should be given. And apart from that, if auditor feels that any other written representation is necessary in the context of audit, he can also ask for those written representations. Next, date of and period covered by written representation. This is important. Now, the date of written representation should not be beyond the date of audit report. Okay, the date of written representation should be before the date of auditor's report only, and written representation should cover all the periods that is covered by the audit report. Okay, next, doubt as to reliability of the written representation. If written representations are inconsistent with other audit evidence that the auditor has obtained, then auditor shall perform audit procedures to attempt to resolve the matter. If the matter remains unresolved, auditor should reconsider the competence, integrity, ethical values of management, because written representations are given by the management itself and they are not matching with other evidence that the auditor has obtained. So now auditor has to doubt the management's integrity and ethics. If auditor concludes written representations are not reliable, then auditor shall take appropriate action, including determining a possible effect on the opinion. Now, if management doesn't provide the requested written representation, then discuss the matter with management, re-evaluate the integrity of management, and take appropriate action, including possible effect on the auditor's opinion. Now, impact on the opinion. What could be the impact of opinion? See, auditor shall disclaim an opinion on financial statements if auditor concludes that there is sufficient doubt about integrity of management. Now, auditor has concluded that there is doubt about the integrity of management. Management has lost its integrity. They are submitting fake information. They are committing frauds. Okay, they are not giving the written representation. In such a situation, the auditor can give disclaimer of opinion, and management doesn't provide the written representation as required. Okay, in these two situations, auditor can give disclaimer of opinion. So by this, SA 580 also got completed.